Let me show you our top 3 best-selling yachts. And stay with me, it's gonna be interesting. Number 3 is the Stellar. We're starting strong. It's an all-black sunseeker, space for 20 guests, and a front deck jacuzzi that you will never forget. Number 2, step it up. It's a bigger presence, super yacht vibe. Front deck jacuzzi also, but that Dubai skyline will feel different. It's the Gaia. Number 1, save the best for the last. It's the Helios. It's the super yacht that you can bring 70 guests on board without squeezing, a spa on the bow, and then look it up, the Starlight headliner. If one of them felt like you, click below to discover more about our fleet.